We are trading on Quotex with great profitable results, focusing on 3-minute expiry times. We have achieved good trading results based on our previous day's performance. We are trading on normal currencies. Make sure to have high favorable return of 80 to 90%. This method needs a little bit of patience. The main tools we are using are the Ultimatefxtools indicators, which lead us to success with less risk. We introduce you to the Metatrader IV platform with the attached Ultimatefxtools main indicators, the Ultimate Signal Indicator, Ultimate Stock Oscillator, and Ultimate Trend Indicator. These three indicators will outperform any others out there, utilizing advanced filtering techniques. We will wait for the best momentum to trade, relying solely on the up and down arrows generated by the Ultimate Signal Indicator. First, I will show you how to attach the trading setup on the other Metatrader 4 tab. Let's go to the View tab, then Navigation. You will see a list of Ultimatefxtools indicators that can be downloaded and installed on Metatrader. Let's attach the Ultimate Signal Indicator, Ultimate Stock Oscillator, and the Ultimate Trend Indicator. These three are the best tools for conquering quick 3-minute trading. Make sure to trade on a 1-minute timeframe and zoom in so that we can clearly see the market trends. We have a green arrow indicating a reversal spot here. Let's turn off the grid for a clearer view. The Ultimate Stock Oscillator is at its maximum support level, and our Trend Indicator is also at the maximum support level. These indications have a higher win rate whenever we trade going higher. Let's check its actual Quotex chart. The trend is still going down, but we will wait for the confirming candle bar. Wait for a green bar to appear. Let's take it here as a good indication for 3-minute trading. Let's go trade up. Follow us for more trading strategies and become profitable with your daily trading. Download the Ultimate Signal Indicator for free at the description below. Good trading result. Let's wait for another signal.